Now we are going to learn a new pronoun, le pronom en. Now this word en is used to replace a noun. Okay, so it replaces a noun. Any pronoun has to replace a noun. It replaces a noun that is introduced by an indefinite article or a partitive article. So you may not understand the statement right now because I know it is difficult to understand the statement, but when we see its use in a sentence, you will see that it is very simple. So en is a pronoun. So normally what does a pronoun do? It replaces a noun. Now this pronoun replaces a noun that is introduced by an indefinite article. What is an indefinite article? It is un, they. And partitive article is du, de la, del apostrophe and they. So any noun that is introduced by an indefinite article or a partitive article can be replaced using en. So let us take an example. Je veux une pomme. Je veux une pomme. I want an apple. I want an apple. Now, what is the noun here? Pomme, right? It is introduced by an indefinite article. So, we have to replace this. This whole une pomme is replaced by en. But where would you place en? It is placed before the verb. Je, en, you have to place it here. However, we have a vowel clash here. So what would we write it as? Je veux, and you would write une. So what would this sentence mean is, I want one of, en is similar to it in English, right? You would say I want an apple. If you replace this, you would say I want it. So I want one of it. So have you understood? It's very simple. It replaces a noun. It is a pronoun, so it replaces a noun. Where do we place en? We place it before the verb. Before the verb. Very simple. So en is a pronoun. It replaces a noun that comes after an indefinite article or a partitive article, and the en is placed before the verb. So shall we do some exercises regarding this? It is very simple.